We talk a lot about the benefits of garlic, ginger, and lemon on this channel, don't we? In today's video, you will find out why you should drink water with lemon, ginger, and garlic. Even though we have already talked about the benefits of each one of these ingredients, do you remember all of them? No? Then let's take a quick glance to remember. Garlic stimulates the immune system and acts as an antiviral and antibiotic. It brings many health benefits, such as aiding the circulatory and digestive systems, stimulating the immune system, reducing blood pressure, fighting heart diseases, and eliminating toxins. Lemon is an excellent homemade medicine for detox, as it is rich in potassium and chlorophyll. It helps alkalize the blood, eliminating toxins from the body, reducing the symptoms of fatigue, and giving the energy to complete daily tasks. Isn't it amazing? Ginger helps especially with weight loss by boosting metabolism, relaxing the gastrointestinal system, and preventing nausea and vomiting. Besides, it is antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, helping prevent diseases like colorectal cancer and stomach ulcers. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. The tea made of garlic, ginger, and lemon is a great help to treat colds and also brings many benefits to your health. Write down the ingredients of this recipe: 3 garlic cloves chopped, 5 slices ginger, 1 lemon quartered, 2 cups water. Directions: bring the water to a boil, then add all the ingredients. Squeeze the lemon and add its juice and peel. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Close the lid and let it infuse for 5 more minutes. Strain and drink. Teas are rich in nutrients and should be part of your daily eating. If you drink tea daily and know any recipe that is a hit, share it with us in the comments below. We love hearing from you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.